Welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to set or update your YouTube TV zip code. So it's a very simple and straightforward thing for you to do. So first of all, you will have to come on tv.youtube.com, and here you just have to simply log in into your YouTube TV account. Afterwards, you need to click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen, then click on the settings option. Now once you are in your settings, you need to just hover over to the left hand section and click on area. Over here you will see the option of update playback area. So here you need to click on the update button and then click on the update location. After that, it will take some time and it will show you this type of pop-up where you just have to simply click on allow this time, or you can even allow while visiting the website. So you can just keep on it allowing. So you can choose any of the options that you want, and then it will take your location and it will be updated over here. Now in order to view your zip code, you again need to click on your profile icon, and in the bottom you will be able to see your location. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.